All right, guys. So we're out here today doing a first flight for who you say? Raptor. All right, guys. We're here. We're gonna test flight Raptor. It is July 13th. This is the first flight. We're gonna see how this beautiful, beautiful plane, how it does outside compared to inside. It is built on July 13th. It was actually built at 12:01 a.m. So it was almost on the 12th, but it made it into July 13th. So it's going to be built, named, and flown all in the first day. So let's see how this goes. That did not go as planned. Let's get this one right here. This is number 2. Let's try to fix this a little bit. Make that a little bit straighter. The wings, I'm not sure exactly how these are supposed to go. Let's see how this goes. That wasn't bad. Let's see how it does. Let's try it again. Let's try number 1. Woo! That came back and got me. I don't know if that was on camera or not. Get off there. Ants and everything else already getting on it. It's crazy. All right, let's go. Well, that didn't go like I was expecting. It did a spiral and then kind of stabilized. Let's try that again. The wind's starting to pick back up. As you can see, the wind picking up. It's already rocking. That was a pretty flight. That was a pretty flight. I like that. So it's definitely in its condition right now and the way it's built. It's definitely a short range plane. It's definitely nothing long range. You can't even focus on that. Well, I want to focus. There we go. Focus. All right. Woo, that one likes to come back at you. That one likes to come back at you. All right, let's try that again. Bonk. Bonk. Let's try this one. All right. Number 2. Let's go. Ooh, I'm losing it in the sun. And this is an evening flight, so it's not something I'm doing early in the morning. I'm doing it in the evening when the humidity is less. So oh, it's blurry. Blurry. I don't even know where that one went. I'll have to walk over here and see if I can find that one. Oh, I didn't catch it. I was trying to worry about the camera, but it landed from approximately, I was standing about over there, literally where my fingers touching, and it flew all the way over here, which isn't bad. Let's try number 1 again. Let's try to straighten that a little bit and see if it likes it. Oh, that was a bunch of junk. But it definitely likes number 2 a little bit more than number 1. So I'm definitely gonna have to reconsider number 2 as being a template for it. That's not bad, that's pretty. All right guys, well, you saw it first. And you know what we say at NAS Aero Systems for that plug right there? Build it, fly it, live it.